Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn about CapCut application, and I would like to show to you step by step the way how you can import the video into your project. You just need to open your CapCut on your mobile phone. So basically importing the media into the project is the first step that you have to do before you start the project. Go click new project, so that will be bring you directly into your collections for the video and the media. You can access the video, you can also access the photo, or you can also access the library that provide you a lot of video that given by the CapCut itself. There are like huge videos, like thousands and more video that you can get here, and then just to go click the video that you want to use for the project and wait until the loading process is just finished, and you go click add, and those projects will be added into your project, and you are ready to edit this video. So that is the way how you can import the video into the CapCut. Hopefully you enjoy it a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.